Hello! If you would like your HyperX Cloud 1 or Cloud 2 gaming headphones to have a detachable cable, today I will show you how to make that happen easily and affordably at home. This removable cable mode allows you to quickly swap out the audio cable when you need a longer one or replace it easily if the 3.5mm jack breaks. To do this, you will just need a new 3.5mm 4-pole socket and an audio cable. Links to these parts are in the description below. If your stock cable is still in good condition, you can also modify it to work with the new socket. Check out my previous video for more details on that. You will also need borrow some basic tools and super glue from your grandmother. Once you have get everything for this mod, just follow along with this tutorial and you will be set. If you have any questions or you run into any issues while modifying your headphones, feel free to share in the comments below. Good luck!